So, step 5. So it's definitely worth taking the extra time on this step. So we've got to fix the frame with its glass into the wall jambs. You only get one shot at these really. So before I close that door, there's a definite balancing act really. So you want to make sure these are as level as they can be. So either side given a nice equal distance. A spirit level on the top, making sure the top threshold is level, but importantly the glass is also level. So it's a balance between all three of those. If I move that right over there, so that gap there is all closed up. The glass is raised up, so that looks wrong. So it's a case of finding a happy place for a combination of all of those, but most importantly your glass is level, because if your glass is not level, that's where your door's going to be not lining up with the magnet, or so definitely worth taking the extra time on this step before you do any drilling. So pen out, mark this off. What I'll do is I'll just mark out the top ones, get those fixed in. Those fixed in before I start marking out the other locations. So 3mm drill bit. Your small screws, fix these 2 in, and mark up and screw in the remaining 4. So before I go on to the others, take that off so it doesn't drop on my head. There you go, just make sure happy. So I'm happy with those. So I'm just going to mark out these 4. I'll speed it up while I'm doing those and drilling in. Just throw that down there. So that's all of those in position. What I will do, I'm just going to get some cover caps for those screws as well. So I'll show you a close up of those being installed.